Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam series. This is your host, Opera Consultant. Welcome to episode number 12, where we'll be looking at question number 12 in the ongoing practice set. So, today's topic is Analytics Pane in Power BI. So, those of you who have not watched this series, I would request you to go through the playlist, which will automatically pop up on this video. So yeah, without further wait, let's begin. So yeah, this is the question. In Power BI desktop, you are analyzing monthly sales data using a line chart and want to add a reference line that represents the average sales throughout the year to help identify months that performed above or below average. Which option in the analytics pane allows you to add this reference line directly to your line chart? So these are the four options. I am going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think which is the solution. Your time starts now. So yeah, time's up. Let's see what is the solution. So yeah, it's average line. Apologies, it's question 12, not 10. But yeah, continue with this solution. So basically, we have this analytics pane. Whenever you select a clustered chart in Power BI, I will demo this on the desktop, Power BI desktop as well. But this feature is available only in this visualization type where you can add the average line onto your visual so that it is easier for you to analyze and identify the categories which are falling below or above average line. You can add other lines as well like median forecast, but for this particular question the solution will be average line. Let's see the explanation and resources. So yeah, this slide contains the overall explanation why the other options are not correct, like why trend line is not correct and why average line is correct. You can pause the video here and read through this so you will clear an understanding on this topic. Now the next slide again covering the points on for forecast and median line while they are not the correct answer. So yeah, this is on this one. And as again, I have been leveraging this course on Udemy, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and also we will look at the Microsoft Learn article where we will be covering detailed transformation and models. Just give me a second, and I will just quickly open this up. Just let me open it, and we can cover this Learn article as well. Yeah, allow me to switch it. So yeah, this article talks about using the analytics pane in Power BI desktop. You have this feature which is looks like a magnifying glass open once you select the clustered bar chart, which I was talking about. So once you have the visual aid ready, you can go to this analytics pane where you have these options of constant, minimum, maximum, average, median, and percentile line available. You can select these. You can also search so that if you don't want to go through all of these, you can just type in the name, like for example percentile line, it will show up. So this pane is readily available whenever you have visualization in the form of clustered bar chart or clustered column chart. So this is how it will look like. You can change the color of that line. You can increase change the line style, position, data label, etc. features are available onto this line which will be added to your existing visual. So yeah, this article then talks about all of that. I will also put this link in the video description as well. But yeah, in detail this article will cover different line types which you can add. You can also apply forecasting to your model, and it will be only applicable in line chart visual, not in other visual. Just to remind you guys that forecasting feature is only available for line chart visually, right? Consideration, limitation, all of these are things are covered in here. But yeah, in totality this article is more than enough to cover for this topic, which and any question that will be coming in Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam will be covered with the help of this topic. So yeah, directly jumping to an existing report. So yeah, I have this report. Let me create again so that you can understand. So I have this existing report where I'm using the employees data and I have certain measures etc created. So what I'm going to do is create a simple clustered, let's say, column chart. Let's click on it and let's drag employee salaries measure. Let's type salary. Let's select average salary and let's visualize this with the help of, let's say, education field, right? So I have this simple clustered column chart created where I am looking at the average salaries by education field for HR, for marketing, information systems, economics, and so on. So you can see the trend again, it is decreasing order, but you want to, let's say, identify the average line, average for these columns, right? For these columns, which represents each of the education field, right? So what you can do is go to this analytics uh, pane, which is called which looks like a magnifying glass. You can go to this. You have these options of constant, minimum, maximum, average, median, percentile, errors bar. So you can go to average line. You can click on add line here. What it will do, it create a dotted line, right? So you can also click on the data label. You can play around with the line. You can change the color. Let's say I want to keep it this light gray, and let's just for easier purpose, let me also change the colors of the column to something which is more visible. Let's say something like here, I guess, I don't know, but yeah, the gray line must be visible. Let me change the color of the average line, something which is more clearer. So yeah, it's I have changed the color to this. You can increase the width depending on your needs, right? So yeah, this is the average line. I've also enabled the average data label, so which is 1,19,027 dollars. So yeah, that is the average. Other than this, you can also create minimum line, maximum line into the same visual. So yeah, this is the maximum line, and you can also enable the data label, so which is 145K. This is how you can play around with this analytics pane, and different features are available in here. But that is on the demo part. I hope it will clear understanding on this topic. Look forward to see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.